Alright guys, so right here I have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, and I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing in this video so you guys can see what comes inside the box and also the unboxing experience. So let's get right into it. So right off the bat guys, this feels super light and the box is so small. I don't remember the AirPods Pro 2 box being this small, but this is the AirPods 4 and it's really small compared to the AirPods Pro 2 box that I unboxed a couple years ago. So let's go ahead and pull this guy real quick. Should be able to just slide this out. Wow, this is so tiny guys. Alright, so right here we have some paperwork and just some quick setup guides and all that, and some other paperwork. Put that to the side. But one thing I noticed, no stickers. I think Apple is getting rid of the stickers, so no more stickers. And I don't see any cable. You just get the AirPods, and these are really small guys. Wow. Wow. These are super small. Like, my hands are not that big, but look, that's super small. I can almost like cover it and you don't see it or anything like that. Like, look at that. These are super small. Wow. So you can see we get a speaker on this case because this is the one with the active noise cancellation, and USB Type-C, which is really nice. One thing I noticed, that the button right here that you used to use to like reset your earpods or pair your earpods is not there anymore. So that's one thing to note. I believe if you touch and hold on the front right here, I think somewhere in the front right here, there's kind of like a hidden button you can press to pair and unpair your earpods now. But there you have it. These are the earpods right here. So small and tiny guys. Wow. These actually look really good guys. Like, I wasn't expecting them to be this tiny, to be honest. The force button is right here that you can press to control your earpods. No ear tips or silicone ear tips. You just get the hard plastic against your ears. Some people like it, some people hate it. Alright, let's take this guy out like that. It actually fit pretty good. Like, I was expecting for it not to fit good because of how people talk about the AirPods Pro, not the AirPods Pro, but the AirPods 3 that was previously released before these AirPods 4. A lot of people were saying that it wasn't the best fitting AirPods, but surprisingly, I did a quick shake test and they're still in my ear, which is pretty nice. Just a quick size comparison guys. So on the left is the AirPods Pro 2, on the right is the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. As you can see, it is really small compared to the AirPods Pro 2. So it should be able to fit inside your pocket really nice and really easy. So as you can see, there's no button on the back. Alright guys, so that's been the unboxing of the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. I'll be unboxing the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation in my next video. So check the links down below in the description to watch this unboxing of the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. I'll be also doing a side-by-side comparison comparison with the AirPods 4 with and without active noise cancellation. And also subscribe to this channel because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. I also have some cases from ESR and Spigen that I'm going to check out. So also subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos, because these cases right here are probably the best case you'll get for your AirPods 4. So thank you guys for watching. Click this video, somewhere on screen, to check out the unboxing of the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. Thanks for watching. Peace.